New job? You show up to a loss, and by the time you leave, your whole job is documented. Capture the space, capture the damage, capture the scope. Get it straight to your estimator, all while you're still on the property. Open the app, create a project, and start capturing everything you see in one single walkthrough. You can create a sketch in real time using the LiDAR on your iOS Pro device, or you can go manual with the Bluetooth laser measurer. Every wall, every corner, every door, every window, captured every single time. Structural elements, dimensions, all of it. And while you're at it, take your photos and notes. Everything in one go. Got an affected area? Add it right then and there. Measurement seems off? Adjust it before you leave. No waiting, no back and forth. You're done when you walk out the door. All your documentation is right here in the project. Your photos, your videos, your 360s, and notes. Mark up anything you need the adjuster or others to see. Add notes, highlight damage. Everyone on the team sees exactly what you saw. When you're done, generate your photo report in one tap. An interactive gallery your client or adjuster can actually open. The office has it before you're even back in the truck. Ready to estimate? Your ESX and FML files are right here. Export directly to Xactimate or Cotality in one tap. And if you want to create a scope, our scope of work feature is for you. Add your line items on site and send them directly to Xactimate as an ESX. Or as a PDF to your estimator, right alongside your sketch and photos. One app. Capture everything while you're there. Build the full scope on the spot. Send the estimate before you head out. Your whole job workflow done on site. Start your first project today.